Welcome to our Computer Science MCQ series. Whether you're studying for exams or just love tech, this series will challenge and expand your knowledge. Let's dive in and test your skills. Get ready to ace the JKSSB computer exam with expert tips, practice, and in-depth preparation. What feature in MS Office allows you to recover an unsaved document? A. Autosave. B. Autorecover. C. Track changes. D. Version history. Answer B. Autorecover. Which MS Office application supports the use of pivot tables? A. Word. B. Excel. C. Access. D. PowerPoint. Answer B. Excel. In MS Office, what is the purpose of the macro feature? A. To add charts to documents. B. To automate repetitive tasks. C. To insert images. D. To manage file versions. Answer B. To automate repetitive tasks. Which MS Office application is used primarily for database management? A. Word. B. Excel. C. Access. D. PowerPoint. Answer C. Access. In MS Office, which key is commonly used as a shortcut for spell check? A. F5. B. F7. C. F8. D. F10. Answer B. F7. What feature in PowerPoint is used to create a uniform background and layout across multiple slides? A. Slide master. B. Themes. C. Layout. D. Template. Answer A. Slide master. Which view in PowerPoint displays slides as thumbnails and helps with rearranging slide order? A. Slideshow view. B. Normal view. C. Slide sorter view. D. Outline view. Answer C. Slide sorter view. In Excel, what does the V in lookup stand for? A. Value. B. Variable. C. Vertical. D. Visible. Answer C. Vertical. Which function is used in Excel to count only numeric entries in a range? A. Counter. B. Countif. C. Count. D. Sum. Answer C. Count. In Excel, which feature allows you to create dynamic charts that can be filtered by specific criteria? A. Pivot table. B. Data validation. C. Goal seek. D. Solver. Answer A. Pivot table. Which function in Excel is used to find the largest number in a range of cells? A. Min. B. Max. C. Average. D. Count. Answer B. Max. What feature in MS Word helps in organizing information in rows and columns? A. Table. B. Graph. C. Chart. D. Smart Art. Answer A. Table. In MS Word, which of the following is not a font style? A. Bold. B. Italic. C. Superscript. D. Regular. Answer C. Superscript. In MS Word, which shortcut key is used to open the Find and Replace dialog box? A. Ctrl F. B. Ctrl H. C. Ctrl G. D. Ctrl R. Answer B. Ctrl H. That wraps up today's Computer Science MCQ session. Great job to everyone who participated. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't forget to subscribe for more MCQs. See you next time.